This is the night test result of the analog thermal imaging camera. It can be installed on FPV drones and quadcopters. This is a good infrared night vision camera. It can detect animals, cars, or humans hiding at night that are emitting heat. It is a miniaturized integrated product characterized by small size and low power consumption. It can be installed on various types of equipment, such as drone gimbals, robot gimbals, individual helmets, pods, etc. It supports analog signal cvbs output to replace your FPV camera. It supports automatic and manual calibration and background correction. It also supports receiving serial port commands and can support 1x, 2x, 4x, and 8x zoom in. It contains 15 different display colors, which can be switched at any time by sending it commands. There is also a mobile phone interface version, which can help with safety checks at night, especially when hiking or hunting at night. Open the third eye. The entire camera weighs only 25 grams and is very light. Now let's take a look at the appearance of this camera and what interfaces it has. As a professional drone accessory supplier, we provide free customization, production, and sales. If you have any project needs, please contact us and we will provide you with free solutions.